Well, hello and welcome to this short exercise on functions, domain and range. We've got three functions here. The first one is that p of x is equal to x plus 4 whole squared such that x can take any value at all. Okay, the second one is that q of x is equal to 8 minus x such that x can take any value greater than 0. Okay, it must be greater than 0. And the third one is a trig function. R of x is equal to cos of x such that x has got value bigger than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 180. Now the questions are that we should find the range for each of these functions, and also to find where or when these two functions p of x and q of x are equal. Now for the first of these three functions, we got that p of x is equal to x plus 4 all squared. Now we are supposed to find the range for this function here. You can have a guess to see what it is, but when you plot the graph, you have something like this, which then implies, or for the graph, we can say that p of s can take any value from 0 itself to infinity. So our answer should be p of x is greater than or equal to 0. Now for the second function, we got that q of x is equal to 8 minus x such that x is greater than 0. And when we plot the graph, we have something like this. Now, for this to be true, we need the y value or the q of x value to be less than 8. It's going to be less than 8, not equal to 8. It's going to be less than 8 for that to be valid. And that's what you've got here. And now, for the third of these functions, where r of x is equal to cos x. The normal cosine graph looks something like this. Now, but this time around, we are restricted from 0 to 180. Now, the cosine of 0 is 1, and the cosine of 180 is minus 1. So, our range now becomes from minus 1 to plus 1, and that's what we've got here. Now for question B, we're supposed to find values of x that are common to the function p of x and the function q of x. Now to do that, we need to equate both functions. So x plus 4 all squared is equal to 8 minus x. We then expand x plus 4 squared, and we end up with x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 8 minus x. Now, if we take 8 across, the sign will change, so we now have 16 minus 8, which will give us 8. And if we take minus x across, the sign will also change, and we'll have plus x, so 8x plus 1x will give us 9x. So we end up with that. If you now factorize this expression here, we have that x plus 1 into x plus 8 is equal to 0, which that means that either x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to minus 1. And the graph shows this clearly here. So at this point here, x is minus 8, and at that point there, x is minus 1. I hope all that made some sense. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.